What do you look for in a BVoc program before enrolling? Is placement a deciding factor? Or do you look for opportunities to study abroad or apply for competitive exams?
Well, whatever your requirements might be, the NTTF B.Voc program with dual benefits is sure to fulfill all of them. The best part of the program is that you will get a degree from a renowned university and a diploma from NTTF at the end of the program. Hello everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. I am Pratyusha. Today me and my colleague Sahitya will be talking about the unique aspects of NTTF B.Voc program with dual benefits. So let's get into the video and know more about the program. NTTF, a pioneer in providing technical training, is offering the BVoc program in collaboration with various renowned universities such as Dayanand Sagar University, Vellore Institute of Technology and Arka Jain University to offer the program in various in-demand trades. The industry-aligned curriculum of the program is a major contributing factor to the placement process as it ensures the industry readiness of the students. The course provides you with a platform to learn multiple industry-relevant skills to better prepare you for the future of work. During the program, all your skills will be nurtured by industry leaders. Let us now look at some of the key aspects of the program which make it one of its kind in the country.
The BVoc degree will be expanded in the future to include more skill components relevant to a technical degree. The diploma and degree certificates are a cherry on the top. With the industry-relevant courses offered by the 62-year-old institute, you can embark on a journey of a lifetime.
Thank you so much for watching our video. This is all from our side. We'll see you in our next video.